What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video today. We are at the Riverwalk Nature Trail and Center in Rockledge. It's 5355 Rockledge Boulevard, or US 1.
Good one to come here.
Yeah, we've never been here before. This is our first time, so we're gonna check it out together.
Oh, look at.
So we didn't even get 2 seconds after filming our intro, and there is a hawk right there. Let's see if I can get closer to it. Well, that was a bummer. As soon as we started walking up to it, it took off, so we didn't get any closer shot of that hawk. But people say they see a lot of nature out here, so let's see what we can find.
Oh, the woodpecker.
Oh yeah, I see it now. You guys probably can't see it through there, but there's a woodpecker. That's what's making all that noise.
Oh my god. Yeah.
So I don't know if you'll be able to see the woodpecker, but he's like right there. Oh, he's flying right at us. So this is a pretty nice shaded trail. We've seen a lot of nature so far, but it's 0.4 miles from the building to the river, which is the end of the boardwalk, and back. So it's just under a mile round trip walk. I've driven past this park many a times and I always wanted to come here, but I've never stopped. And I'm glad we did today. So we've reached the end of the trail. But man, what is a great view. I'm gonna bring my fishing poles out here one day and go fishing. Because there's a whole beach to fish from. You can wade out a little bit, I'm pretty sure. This is nice. I'm about to take my shoes off and go walking in it. This is beautiful out here. Just saw a fish jump. There's just a little fish running around. There's a little school of minnows. And that out there, that's South Tropical Trail. That's where you live when you have some good money in your pockets. So I don't know if the camera's picking them up or not. There's like pinfish. I believe that's the fish, just chilling. Right there. So we're heading back now. That was a nice little half-a-mile walk out. It doesn't feel like a half a mile, but it was. Alright guys, well, it's going to be a short one today, unfortunately.
Sorry.
I'll try. But yeah, it's going to be a short video today. There wasn't a lot going on. I actually thought it was going to be a little bit longer of a walk and more open, but probably due to COVID, it's a lot of grown over trails lately.
Yeah.
But yeah, we're going to go ahead and end the vlog here. We hope you guys enjoyed. We'll see you guys in the next one.
Bye.
Bye.
No.